Whether you're a student juggling assignments or a professional managing multiple projects, Google Chrome can be a powerful tool to boost productivity. In this video, we'll explore tips and features in Chrome 2025 that make it ideal for both students and workers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. One of Chrome's biggest strengths is its speed and reliability, allowing you to open multiple tabs, run web apps, and access online resources without slowdowns. Students can benefit from Chrome's integration with Google Workspace tools like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, making research, group projects, and document sharing seamless. Workers can similarly use these tools to collaborate on reports, presentations, or team projects in real time, regardless of location. Tab management is another key feature. Using tab groups, you can categorize tabs by subject, project, or priority, keeping your workflow organized and reducing clutter. The tab search feature is perfect for quickly finding the right tab when many are open. Extensions like OneTab or Toby allow both students and professionals to save and organize tabs efficiently, ensuring nothing gets lost. Chrome also offers built-in productivity features such as autofill, password management, and cloud syncing. Passwords, bookmarks, and browsing history can sync across devices, so you can start a task on your laptop and continue on your tablet or phone without interruption. Using keyboard shortcuts for navigation, tab management, and searching can further speed up your workflow. Finally, students and workers alike can benefit from privacy and security tools. Enhanced safe browsing protects against malicious websites, while controlling site permissions and blocking third-party cookies helps keep your data safe. By combining speed, tab management, collaboration tools, and security features, Chrome becomes a versatile browser for both study and work. In conclusion, Google Chrome in 2025 offers the speed, organization, and collaboration features that students and workers need to stay productive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and productivity tutorials.